A group of Colorado natives telling us they are grateful for the kindness of strangers after they found themselves caught in an avalanche.
That's right. The four of them were in one of 10 buried cars, I should say, in the avalanche on Berthoud Pass a few weeks ago. Fox 31 Samantha Spitz is on it with their story and an interview you'll see only here on Fox 31. Samantha.
Yeah, well, that avalanche on US 40 at Berthoud Pass is just one of the more than 2,500 avalanches that the Colorado Avalanche Information Center has recorded for this season.
For Ian Mandris, his fiancée, and their two friends, it was like any other Sunday, heading home to Denver after a nice weekend in the high country. But as they turned a corner on Berthoud Pass, they found themselves caught in an avalanche.
It's remarkable at how quickly the snow actually moves when it's coming, because you really can't do anything. You're just along for the ride, and we crossed our fingers, hoped for the best, but it was a split second. The snow had already covered the car.
Their car just one of 10 buried within seconds. The group was able to escape out of the driver's side with no damage to the car. After about an hour of digging and some help from strangers, Ian says they were able to free their car from the snowpack. Emergency crews were also on scene helping to clear a path and dig out all the cars one by one.
Now, Ian says he went out and bought a compactable shovel and emergency kit right when they got home that will stay in their car for the foreseeable future. In studio, Samantha Spitz, Fox 31.
All right, Samantha, thank you.